How to create a membership academy or subscription academy on Thinkific. It's really, really easy to create a membership program using the Thinkific platform. All you need to do is go into Manage Learning Content, click on Courses, and when you're in your Courses area, go to Memberships and Bundles. Now you'll see here I've got a couple that I've made before. This here is my Edupreneur Academy, so I've put over 40 of my courses into this and I just simply charge a monthly fee. This is basically what a membership or subscription is you're charging a monthly fee for access to something. You don't have to create new courses every month, by the way, to have an academy or having a membership program. It can just be that they're paying a monthly fee to access whatever one course is there. Maybe you throw in a live call once a month or a live call once a week or something like that, which is the real value of what people pay the membership for. But as you can see here, this simply allows me to share a single page URL with my customers where they can sign up to this, and it has its own landing page, by the way, over here. And you'll see here there's all these different courses that have been included in this particular bundle, and you just add more courses by clicking Add Course. In your settings area, this is where you give your bundle a name, you choose your URL, and that will be the URL there that you share with everybody to join your membership once you come in here. You can choose your pricing, so you can see here mine's a subscription and it's $47 per month. I've also added an additional price which allows people to pay upfront for a whole year to make some savings. Then you've got your area where you press publish. Now let me show you how to actually do this from scratch. That's just showing you a finished one. Now of course up here I'd go and build my landing page for this as well. I do have videos on how to actually set up your Thinkific account in the first place. I'm going to assume you've watched that or done that already. I also have another video on how to actually design your landing page, so I won't cover that in this video. I do have other videos on how to do that. Now what you're going to do is, if you're doing one from scratch, we're going to press add a new bundle. I'm going to call this Test 2 Academy just for the sake of demo. So this is where you give it a name and you can change that later. We're going to press create bundle and it will take you to the area first of all where you're going to add the courses that are going to be inside this membership area. So you're going to press add a course and quite simply just choose the courses that are going to be included, press add a course, drop down and just add in whatever's going to be in here. Okay, keep going until you've added everything you want to add. Then we're going to go to settings, make sure you're happy with that name, make sure you're happy with that URL because that's going to be the one that you're going to share everywhere. And then you can add your thumbnail for your course as well, for your membership academy, sorry. This is the thumbnail that will show up on your homepage of your site. It's also the thumbnail that will show when you share your URL, share your link with the world, and it's got the dimensions on there. 760 by 420 is best way to do that is just jump into Canva and create that correct size, and then it will fit beautifully into the box. Go to your pricing area. So because this is a membership, you're going to be going to the subscription area, and this is where you can decide how much you're going to be charging. So let's pretend you're charging $97 per 1 month for your membership. And you might even want to give them a free trial period. Maybe they get a free trial for the first 7 days is free. So boom, I've done that. And now I can say to people, come and join my academy. It's only $97 a month. You get X, Y, and Z. And the first 7 days is completely free. Woo! Right, so that's one way to make a sale. Another thing you can do is say, you can trial it for just $1. The first month is only $1. So you get those kind of leads in at the low risk. So that's another thing. It's only $97 a month, you get X, Y, and Z, and the first month is only $1. Now the cool thing is to sign up for $1, they've got to put their credit card in, so if they don't cancel it, they'll start being charged $97 from the following month onwards, which is obviously how you then start getting the income from them. There you go. All we're going to do then is go on up to build landing page over on the top right, build out your landing page, make it look all pretty, make sure it really sells what's in the program. Do go and check out my video on how to create a landing page in Thinkific. It shows you exactly how to do that. What you're going to do then is once you've built your landing page, I'm just going to press OK, you're going to press publish. Boom, that's it. So you go back to your settings, grab that URL, and that's what you share with the world, or you can create a redirection with it if you've got your own website and you want to create your own pretty link. So it'll be yourwebsite.com/academy. And behind the scenes, they're just getting redirected to that link. So it's easier to share. There you go. That is how you very quickly and easily create your own membership academy inside Thinkific. My name is Sarah Cordiner. I'm a qualified course creation specialist and I help you set up your own Thinkific account. You can go to sarahcorn.com/services and I will help you set up your Thinkific account for you fast.